Okay, guys, I want to show you how to use the university research guides because sometimes searching on the university library can be difficult. The research guides condense everything into subject-specific stuff. So if you know what subject you're researching in or what subjects, for example, a question like how do criminal justice majors do research? That's actually over many subjects. It's in criminal justice, but it's also in education and it's also in writing because these are all kind of connected within that question. So you can look at different areas, which is pretty cool. All right, let me share my screen with you really quickly. So we're on the library website, utrgv.edu/library. You can also access it from our Blackboard. If you go to Experience 1, Week 3, go to number 9 at the bottom, you'll have access to it. You can also access it directly here by going to Research Guides. It's already directly linked. It'll take you here. Or if you're on the library website, you can simply go to Find and then Research Guides. And we will end up here. And so what we do here is we find the subject that we are interested in exploring, and it'll take us directly to a place to do research on that subject. So let's say we're going with the criminal justice question. So we're going to go to criminal justice. And here I have access to books. You look up here, books, articles, other resources, open education, sustainability. I'm going to go to find articles. I don't really want books. And so here are all of the databases. These are search engines where we can search criminal justice information. So I'm going to go with, let's see, I'm going to go with a criminal justice database. And I'm going to type in my keywords. So I'm going to type in criminal justice and major and student and research writing. Let's find out what happens. And it's going. All right. Tired of reading bad papers, teaching research and writing skills for criminal justice. Ooh, I already found one I liked. So if I like this one, let's see what we can do here. I can cite the source if I like it. And I like citing my source. I like to keep these handy. Like if I really like this source, I'll just go ahead and copy the citation. I'll choose MLA because that's what I do. So I'll pick MLA, I'll copy the whole thing and I'll take it to my paper because I'm like, oh, if I'm going to use this source, I want to make sure that I have the long citation for it so I can put it in my bibliography at the end. So I really like that source immediately. And let's see, let's go into it. The full text is here. It says right here, full text, which means I have access to it. Yay. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And here's the full text. I can read it directly here, or if you look on the side over here, I can access a PDF of it, which is pretty cool. So I'll do that. And there's the PDF. I like getting PDFs because I'll just save them to my computer to read on my own time, as opposed to like having to constantly come back here. What if my internet's not working? So I do like to download these. And you can download it by going right here on this little button where it says download, and it'll pull it down for you and you can download it. All right, let's see. So that's one way to do that. And there are so many other databases as well. So that was just one database. What if I want to go somewhere else? What if I want to go to Sage Online? And I'm going to do the same keywords as I did for my other one. So I'm going to go and I'm going to steal my keywords from over here. I like to steal my keywords, especially when they're working for me. Sometimes I got to change them up, but see, accept all. So here's Sage. I'm going to throw in my keywords and hit enter. Remember, different databases give us different results. So check all the databases. Oh, here's another about different kind of research, which might be interesting, especially if I'm thinking about the different ways we do research. That perspective might be useful. Let's see if I'm interested in that one. It does have the PDF, you can see right here, so I like that, I can access it. Let's go into it, see what else I can get from it. So there's the abstract, which is just a summary of what the whole thing is. And then the whole thing is available there. I can download right here if I wanted to. Yeah, so it's taking me to it when I hit that button. And I can do more here. I can download this article by going up to this blue button up here. Clicking on that will help me download it. I can cite. So if I wanted to use this article down here, you'll notice there's a citation button. If I click that button, it'll give me the citation. I asked for the format. Yeah, download it, and it'll download. Oh, I see. So it needs a certain, this one's working with other things. I don't know if it's going to work as well. That blows. But there's other ways to cite it. And I'll show you guys some of those ways to cite it later. But the most important thing is that you have a lot of options for finding information with the research guides, right? So that's why I love the research guides. They narrow things down and make it very easy to find the different sources, and they give you information about what's in there as well, which is quite nice. So that's how we use the research guides. And again, you can access them by going to our library, right? utrv.edu/library, go to find and go to research guides, and you'll automatically be taken to an area where you can check out or click on a relevant subject. So hope that was helpful. Bye guys. I'll see you in the next video.